tired of mystery ingredients and skyrocketing costs from commercial dog food? Let's dive into crafting your dog's most delicious and nutritious meals, right in your own kitchen. First, we're building our foundation with lean protein. Think cooked chicken breast, turkey, or lean ground beef. These are fantastic sources of essential amino acids. For muscle health, always ensure they're cooked thoroughly to eliminate any harmful bacteria. Next up, complex carbohydrates and fiber for energy and digestion. Sweet potatoes, cooked white rice, or rolled oats are excellent choices. Mash or cook them until tender, making them easy for your dog to digest and absorb nutrients. Now for the vital micronutrients. Vegetables and fruits. We're talking about antioxidant-rich options like cooked carrots, green beans, spinach, or a small handful of blueberries. These add vitamins, minerals, and fiber, supporting overall well-being. Remember to steam or lightly cook harder vegetables to make them more digestible. Don't forget healthy fats. A small amount of omega-3 fatty acids is crucial for skin and coat health. You can add a teaspoon of fish oil or a tablespoon of cooked salmon to their meals. Portion control is key here. Too much can lead to digestive upset. To ensure a truly balanced meal, we'll incorporate a canine-specific vitamin and mineral supplement. This is vital to fill in any nutritional gaps left by whole foods. Alone, consult with your veterinarian to choose the right supplement for your dog's age, breed, and activity level. Now, let's assemble. Combine a portion of your cooked protein, carbohydrates, vegetables, and a splash of your chosen healthy fat. Sprinkle in your vitamin and mineral supplement. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring an even distribution of all components. Finally, portioning is everything. The amount you feed will depend on your dog's size, age, and activity level. A general guideline is about 23% of their ideal body weight per day. Split into 2 meals. Again, your vet is your best resource for precise recommendations.